So I keep on looking at the screen like that. I'm recording from YouTube right now. Whoa. Okay, that's awesome. Anyway, so right now, listening to some music. Dubstep or techno, whatever the heck that is. I noticed that it's awesome. Anyway, I'm uploading from a computer today because uploading from my iPod takes too long. And I can't get it onto Movie Star Planet quick enough. So yeah. I don't really know what else to say. This music is awesome. I look so dumb. I'm looking at myself. I look so weird.